the Little Gym kids are lucky. Did you not know?
Hi y'all, this is Coach Ada at the Little Gym of Montgomery, Hillsborough. Thank you so much for watching this video today. As we are preparing for the reopening of the Little Gym, we made this video for you so that you can get to know about new procedures and at the same time prepare you best to come back to the Little Gym for classes, camps, and all kinds of programs. It really certainly feels like a lifetime ago since we last had classes in here in this facility. And I really miss all the rolling, jumping, dancing, and all sorts of fun that we've had together before.
One eternity later.
Well, don't worry, we'll soon be back together again. And thank you so much for those of you who've been supporting us the last couple months, joining our Zoom classes, making donations, joining our Facebook Live, having fun with us, and catching up with us, whether it's by phone or text or email. Thank you so much for your love and support. We know that the Little Gym cannot reopen strong without your support. So thank you again. And this summer is particularly important as we get back together and try to find some type of new normal. So without further ado, let's have fun and watch this video together.
For your health and safety, we're reopening with a cleaner and safer gym than ever. First off, we've retained the professional services of a green company that uses an electrostatic spray system to apply hospital-grade disinfectant to all surfaces inside the gym, including small things as little as our balls and shakers, and not to mention any big equipment and furniture inside the gym. This is an effort to supplement and strengthen our daily cleaning and helps make our gym virus and germ-free year-round. All surfaces are treated against bacteria, fungi, and viruses, including COVID-19 and common flu viruses.
We're implementing a series of new procedures at our facility with guidelines provided by the Little Gym International, CDC, and New Jersey Department of Health. Some of the things you would have expected to happen, such as wearing a mask when you enter the gym and social distancing. There are a number of additional changes that we put in place at our facility.
I don't think I need a mask.
Our new procedure requires each child to wear a mask before they enter the gym.
Upon arrival at the Little Gym, your teacher would take your temperature using a touchless thermometer for both the child and the parent. In case of a temperature detected, we'll kindly ask you to come back another time when the fever or sickness symptoms are gone. Let's talk about cleaning. We've always taken pride in having an incredibly clean gym for you and your children. As we reopen, we'll be beefing up on our disinfecting and cleaning procedures. Throughout the gym, we'll have sanitizer in various parts of the gym. Kids and parents are encouraged to use the bathroom inside the gym to wash hands, should they wish to wash hands during class.
Oh, the Little Gym kids are lucky. Did you not know? I'll tell you why the kids are lucky.
Now, let's talk about what happens in class. During class, we'll ask children and parents to keep a safe social distance in between. You'll also see a more open setup of our gym equipment. Each class will be limited to a smaller group size. Smaller classes mean more personal attention. Great for your child's learning. Our teachers will lead children to wash their hands before coming out of class. In the lobby, our chairs will be more spaced out.
Oh, hey! How's it going? I'm just sitting here, minding my own business. Do you want to sit next to me? Oh, there isn't any chairs, but you can sit next to my friend Juanito Burrito.
You can still chat and socialize with one another from a safe distance. Still a lot of fun. Now that you've seen all our new procedures, you could probably tell that our team has been working hard to prepare for reopening. Our commitment to you is that we'll reopen in a safe and responsible way and do what makes sense. We'll be posting our updated summer class schedule soon. We'll be running classes Monday through Saturday just as usual, and also summer camps and Wonder Kids Club with limited capacity on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday throughout the summer. Meanwhile, don't hesitate to reach out to us via email if you have any questions or concerns. We can't wait to see you all on our big red mat when that time comes.